Welcome back to TechWave. Is your Thunder laser bolt turning a profit or draining your wallet? Did you know that laser engraving businesses can see returns of up to 300% in the first year if they get the right equipment? But is the Thunder laser bolt one of those profitable investments or just another money pit? Today, we're diving into the world of the Thunder laser bolt, a popular choice among small business owners. We'll explore whether this laser cutter is really the smart investment it's made out to be, or if it's just another expensive tool that doesn't live up to the hype. Let's break it down. The journey of making and selling laser-cut Christmas ornaments has shown me just how crucial it is to understand the process, the materials involved, and most importantly, the cost-effectiveness of each product you create. In this breakdown, I'll walk you through the steps, choices, and numbers behind producing these ornaments using a laser cutter, design files, and material selection. The first step to making any laser cut product is acquiring or creating the design files. Since I don't have a background in graphic design, I typically purchase digital files to save time. For this specific ornament, I bought 34 different designs for $37 CAD from a popular site for laser cut files. These files are in formats like SVG or AI, designed specifically for laser machines like the ones I use. This cost per design is crucial to understand because it forms a part of the overall expense for each item. Once the designs are ready, the next decision is selecting the materials. For the Christmas ornaments, I decided to use true flat laser plywood, specifically with oak and white finishes. This is a more premium choice than other materials like MDF or basic plywood. While true flat plywood is more expensive, $5.60 per sheet, it offers a smooth, finished surface that saves time, as there's no need for additional sanding or finishing. This also gives the final product a professional, sleek look, which is essential when creating something to sell. However, another significant material I used was mirrored acrylic for the back of the ornament. The mirrored acrylic costs $28 CAD per sheet, which is on the pricier side compared to standard acrylic, $14 per sheet. The reflective surface gives the ornament a special sparkle when hung on a Christmas tree, making it more appealing to potential buyers. In a retail environment, a product that stands out visually has a better chance of making a sale. Laser cutting process. Once the materials are selected, it's time for the laser cutting. I ran the laser for about 75 minutes to cut out the designs from both the plywood and the mirrored acrylic. The laser cutter is a crucial part of this production process as it delivers the precision needed to create these intricate designs. The cost to run the laser for this period is approximately $1.48 per hour, adding a small but important operational cost to the overall expense of the ornaments. I also have to factor in the time it takes to prepare and set up the laser cutting job. While the machine does the majority of the work, it still requires supervision and setup, including ensuring the materials are properly aligned on the bed. For the 75 minutes of laser cutting, this comes out to approximately 2.1 hours of work in total, which includes the prep and post-production steps, like removing the pieces from the laser, cleaning up the material, and getting them ready for packaging. Cost breakdown and profit margin. The total cost to produce 11 ornaments, including materials and labor, is about $428 CAD. This includes the design files, $37, the true flat laser plywood and mirrored acrylic, $375 for the materials used, and the laser operating costs. The cost per ornament, excluding labor, comes out to roughly $3.90 per piece. However, it's worth noting that there are ways to reduce costs if you opt for cheaper materials. For example, if I had chosen basic plywood or MDF, the costs per ornament could have dropped significantly, potentially down to $1.40 per piece. But this choice would come with a trade-off in the final product's appearance and quality. MDF, for example, requires extra work like priming and painting, which increases labor time and costs. After considering the cost of production, I set the retail price at $15 per ornament. This allows for a profit of approximately $11 per unit. If I were to sell all 11 ornaments at this price, I'd make a total of $121 CAD. If the retail price dropped to $10, my profit per unit would decrease to about $6, which would result in a total of $66 for all 11 pieces. Profitability and decision making. The key to making money from laser cut products lies in understanding the balance between material costs, time investment, and retail pricing. It's essential to track the hours spent on production and the materials used to ensure you're making a reasonable profit for your time. In my case, I determined that selling each ornament for $15 is a profitable venture, yielding $33 per hours of work. However, it's crucial to test different materials and products to see what works best in terms of both cost and market demand. In conclusion, whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, understanding the costs and time involved in producing laser cut items is essential for making informed decisions. By tracking material costs, laser operation time, and labor hours, you can better gauge your profitability and ensure you're pricing your products correctly for the market. The Christmas ornaments example demonstrates how small changes in materials or production techniques can have a significant impact on both costs and final profits, providing valuable lessons for anyone looking to make money from their laser cutting machine.